Hello, this is Judy Semugabi Bachaita. Today we are having our Luganda lesson 11. Essomo ery'ekkumi n'erimu mu Luganda. Today we are learning about okubala, counting. 0, 0 in English, 0. Emu, emu, 1. Biri, biri, 2. Satu, satu, 3. Nya, nya, 4. Tano, tano, 5. Mukaaga, mukaaga, 6. Musanvu, musanvu, 7. Munana, munana, 8. Mwenda, mwenda, 9. Kumi, kumi, 10. Kumi n'emu, kumi n'emu. Literally, it's like 10 and 1, 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3. That's how it is. Literally, it's kumi n'emu, 10 and 1. Kumi n'emu, 11. Kumi n'abiri, 12. Kumi n'asatu, 13. Kumi n'anya, 14. Kumi n'ataano, 15. Kumi na mukaaga, 16. Kumi na mukaaga. Kumi na musanvu, kumi na musanvu, 17. Kumi na munana, kumi na munana, 18. Kumi na mwenda, kumi na mwenda, 19. Abiri, abiri, 20. So, in these tens, you see that we get 10 plus the other letter. Literally, 10 plus 6, kumi na mukaaga. Kumi na mukaaga. Kumi na musanvu. Kumi na musanvu. Kumi na munana. Kumi na munana. Kumi na mwenda. Kumi na mwenda. Abiri, abiri, 20. Now we are counting in tens. In tens. Amakumi, amakumi, tens. Kumi, kumi, 10. Abiri, abiri, 20. Asatu, asatu, 30. Ana, ana, 40. Atano, atano, 50. Nkaaga, nkaaga, 60. Nsanvu, nsanvu, 70. Kinana, kinana, 80. Kyenda, kyenda, 90. Kikumi, kikumi, 100. Now we are counting in hundreds. bikumi, bikumi, hundreds. Kikumi, kikumi, 100. Bibiri, bibiri, 200. Bisatu, bisatu, 300. Bina, bina, 400. Bitano, bitano, 500. Lukaga, lukaga, 600. Lusanvu, lusanvu, 700. Lunana, lunana, 800. Lwenda, lwenda, 900. Lukumi, lukumi, 1,000. Okay, that's the end of our lesson 11. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'ekkumi n'erimu. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Weebale kuwuliriza. Weebale kuwuliriza. If you are one person in singular, weebale kuwuliriza. In plural, mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed other lessons, you can find them on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe when you get there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Webale nyo. Webale nyo. In singular, mwebale nyo. Mwebale nyo. In plural. Goodbye. Goodbye. Weraba. In singular. Weraba. In plural. Mweraba. Mweraba. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully you've learned something in lesson 11. I'll see you in lesson 12. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye.